Welcome to another edition of Basaganang Trip, the first edition, the first episode for 2019. I'm Leloy Claudio. I teach history and literature at De La Salle University. As always, kung meron kayong komento, gusto nyo akong kausapin, gusto nyo akong i-troll, tweet me at Leloy Claudio. Now, last night, as I was trying to think about kung ano yung topic ko for today, nahirapan ako kasi parang naubos ko na ata yung topics ko noong 2019 until I realized it's the new year. And when I was in college, tuwing New Year, meron akong ginagawa. And that was participating in the World Universities Debating Championships, the so-called Olympics of Debating. So, debating defined my college life and I think it made me who I am today. So what I want to do today is to convince you that you too should join a debating society. Now, everybody joins debating societies for different reasons. Some people join it because they want to compete. Others join it simply because they want to learn skills. And what I want to tell you is that even if you don't become a competitive debater, just the fact that you join the debating society and you learn the techniques of debating will already help you become a better student, a better professional, and I dare say, a better citizen of the Philippines. So, I have 5 reasons kung bakit dapat kayong sumali ng debating society or why you should try debating. So, reason number 1 why you should try debating is confidence in public speaking. I was reading an article from Psychology Today last night and sabi niya, around 20 to 25% of people experience a phenomenon called glossophobia, and this is yung fear of public speaking. Some people experience it very acutely, yung talaga nagpapanik bago magsalita, and some people experience it as mild anxiety. And one of the solutions na tinutukoy nitong article na to towards glossophobia is quite simple. You just have to practice. The more you do something, the better you get at it and the more confident you are at it. And so if you are a debater, what you do is you practice public speaking all the time in the context of trainings, but also in the context of tournaments. Second reason why you should join a debating society is because it makes you well-read. Now, yung tradition ng debating na uso ngayon dito sa Pilipinas and has been uso for around 2 or 3 decades now is called parliamentary debating. And in parliamentary debating, yung style is you only find out the topic around 15 or 30 minutes before the debate. So, ibig sabihin, kung kahit anong topic pwedeng lumabas sa konteksto ng debate, you have to read a lot because you don't know if the topic is going to be about, Hungary, Ukraine, or if it's going to be about Brexit or a new law that's being passed in the United States or a new law that's being passed in ASEAN. You don't know. So, debating is the ultimate interdisciplinary learning activity because you have to read about everything. So, what debaters do is they do this thing called matter loading. They buy lots of magazines, they buy lots of books, and they prepare themselves for their tournaments. Na itong reading habit na to, na nakuha ko when I started debating in high school and I deepened during college, it's a reading habit that I maintain until today. And I find that it helps me not just with school, not just with my own academic work as a teacher, but it also helps with conversation. Because if you read a lot and you know a little bit of something about everything, you can talk to a lot of people and engage them on multiple levels. Third reason, it trains your logic. Ngayon, kung gusto mong manalo in the context of a debate or in a debating tournament, you have to be able to follow an argument logically from point A to point B to point C. And you have to be able to respond to other arguments logically as well. And this requires a lot of training. Now, what people don't realize about debating is that it's practically a sport. You do it a lot and then you get trained. And as with the sport, you get better as you receive constant feedback. So, join a good debating society. If you happen to be in a university with a great debating society, you will have access to coaches and peers who will hone your logic for you. And yung effect nito is that it will not only make you a better speaker, it will also make you a better writer because your writing will be more persuasive. And in general, you're just going to be a more persuasive people that can convince people about your point of view. Number 4, the reason why you should join a debating society is that it gives you lifelong friends and contacts who are very intelligent and are usually achievers themselves. I mentioned in my previous episode why you shouldn't join a frat is because you can get the benefits of a network of friends and a network of contacts even without joining a frat. I gained that network of friends and contacts through debating, because in debating, a lot of people, when I joined the debating society, I realized that a lot of people there were like me. They loved to read, they were argumentative, they're kind of nerdy, and because of that, I developed really deep friendships with them. And I also realized, moving on in life, na a lot of the people that I met in debating are now really high achievers. Some of them are big shots in the tech industry, in the media industry, some of them are great businessmen, some of them are, a lot of them are teachers like me, some of them are lawyers. And these are great friends to have because you have if you join a debating society, you will have smart friends all over the Philippines, but not just the Philippines, all across the world, because the way debating works is that merong national tournaments, merong Asian tournaments, merong Australasian tournaments, but there are also world tournaments. So you have a great network of intelligent friends across the world because you joined a debating society. So if you are part of a university that has or college that has a strong debating tradition, in particular one that has the capacity to send you to international tournaments, join it. It's a wonderful once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Number 5, and the most important reason why you should join a debating society is because it trains you in the art of democracy. Debating doesn't just make you a good speaker, a good listener, a good talker, a good writer. It makes you a good citizen. Why? Because in debating, we teach you how to engage in polite, structured, democratic discourse. And yung debaters na realize nila that a disagreement does not mean you are fighting with someone. A disagreement merely means that you are exploring multiple angles of an issue. And that's what democracy is all about. In a democracy, we should be able to disagree in smart, intelligent ways without offending other people. What's even better about debating is that many times in debating, you will be assigned a side that you don't agree with. And there's something really liberating there. Why? Because the problem with our democracy is hindi natin tinitignan yung mga issue from the perspective of yung people na hindi natin kasundo. We double down on the things you already believe in. But a debater is trained to view the world through the lens of yung kalaban or things that through the lens of somebody you disagree with because you're forced to take on sides you don't agree with. And that is a democratic process because it teaches you how to view the world through the lens of other people. So, this new year, kung ikaw ay estudyante, New Year's resolution, join a debating society. It will not only change your life, it will not only give you skills, it will also make you a better citizen of the Republic of the Philippines. Maraming salamat po.